In the year 1929 in Lahore, a young man named Ilm-ud-Din, only 19 years old, heard that a man had insulted our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ through a blasphemous book. The people were hurt, protests rose, but no justice was done. The blasphemer walked free. Ilm-ud-Din, a simple carpenter, couldn't bear the insult to the Messenger of Allah ﷺ. With unshakable faith and love, he took it upon himself to defend the honor of the Prophet ﷺ. He entered the man's shop and killed the blasphemer. Ilm-ud-Din was arrested and even in prison. His face shone with peace. When Allama Iqbal saw him, he kissed his forehead and said, "Today the uneducated Ilm-ud-Din has surpassed us all in faith." On 31 October 1929, Ilm-ud-Din was hanged, smiling as a Ghazi, a Shaheed, and a true lover of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ.